make an object, and sometimes we want to create object passing arguments. At that time, the constructor helps us to initialize something. What is the exact syntax? What is int, then the method? Okay, we are going to cover all of that in this video. Let's go to our computer screen and let's get started. So in today's class, I'm gonna telling you constructions in Python. What is construction? Constructors. Okay, I will be telling that. Sorry for construction. Constructor. Okay, so our constructor is a special method. Okay, is in a class used to create an initialize an object of class. There are different types of constructors. Constructor is invoked automatically when an object of a class is created. A constructor is a unique function that gets called automatically when an object is created of a class. The main purpose of a constructor is initialize or assign values to the data members of that class. It cannot return any value other than none. Okay. Syntax of Python constructor. Here is the syntax of Python constructor. Okay. Intent is one of the reverse functions in Python. In object-oriented programming, it is known as a constructor. Types of constructor in Python. There are two types of constructor: parameterized constructor and default constructor. Parameterized constructor is in Python. When the constructor accepts arguments along with self, it's known as parameterized constructor. These arguments can be used inside the class to assign the values to the data members. Okay. So now, like I will be writing like here, class details def enter init self comma and space animal comma group. And now when our work is done till here, so I will be telling you what we can do while giving the error. Def. So now it is not giving the error. And now what you can do, go down right here, self dot animal and space slash animal. Okay. And now when your work is done till here, go down, self dot group slash and group. Enter. And now another time enter. Write here object 1. Write first of all details, and into the details you can write like grep into the double quotes and comma. Then you will write like cross test scenes, and now done. Enter. Write print object 1 dot animal. Okay, comma. Write double quotes, and here into the double quotes we will be write like belongs to the comma object 1 dot group, and now comma right here group and dot. And let's see, output will become grep belongs to the constant group, but it will giving the syntax error. Where it will giving the error? Let's see, syntax invalid syntax. Our syntax is wrong. Like where it will giving the like. Okay, let's see. Here you can give like that, then run. Then here you can see it. It is coming like the output coming like that. Grep belongs to the crystal and group. Okay, and into the here I will write like grep constant belongs to the group. Here you can see it. It is very easy. And now, default constructor in Python. When the constructor doesn't accept any argument from the object and there's only one argument self in a constructor, it is known as a default constructor. Like it is one example, and like we will copy it. So the output come animal crab belongs to the Christians group. Like I will be pasted like that beautifully. And now let's see. Animal crab belongs to creations group. Why this coming? Because here I will write like animal crab belongs to creations, and then we can write like group. So that's why it will be coming. And I hope your concept will be clear about the constructor. And in today's video, I'm gonna tell you what is a constructor very easy and very easily. I will tell you all things step by step, one by one. I hope you will be know and you will be all, and you will also gain knowledge from this class. Gain knowledge, so please like that video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And go to the YouTube and right here, code with PK Enterprise. Can go here, subscribe my channel and all the notification bell. Go to the playlist and go to the here and click this playlist and access that playlist and bookmark the my playlist, and please like that all video and see all 1 to 56 videos. Okay, see all videos because it is very easy and very important. Okay, so I'll meet you in next class of Python and very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.